Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to remove these sun visor light bulbs. Now when you open this small door to access the mirror, this light is supposed to go on. If it doesn't go on, first thing to check is this light bulb which is here inside. This video should apply to these models made from 2007 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now this is quite easy to do. You'll need like a small flat screwdriver or even better, small plastic trim remover if you have one. Now the idea is you just have to pry this out. Now you will push this screwdriver here all the way. There is like a small metal clip and then you will just gently lower it down, and that's everything you have to do, and then you can remove this housing completely. Once you have this side down, you will just push the whole housing towards the door. Actually pull, and here is everything, right? Okay, and the light bulb is on the opposite side, very easy removable. Now one more tip, it's always a good idea to wear rubber gloves before touching the bulbs, just because the oil from your skin will reduce the life of the light bulb. I don't have gloves handy right now, but just letting you know how it is supposed to be done. Okay, so to remove this bulb, you just kind of pry it out with your fingers, right? And that's everything. And when you're installing it back in, the new bulb, you will just push it back into its place and then insert the housing back into this opening. Okay, that's how you do it, and then you will first insert this, slide it all the way in, and then this will pop in place, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.